Hi guys! John here. Ituturo ko sa inyo ang 3 easy steps kung paano mag-register ng SIM gamit ang Smart at TNT Subscribers since pareho lang sila. Grabe guys, napakarami kong attempt fails sa pag-register kahit malakas yung internet ko. Probably since it's the first day of registration and dahil peak hours ngayon, marami din tayong kasabayang nagre-register. Kung gusto niyo makita agad ang process sa pag-register, pwede kayo mag-refer sa aking timestamp below sa description. Quick recap lang, ano ba ang SIM registration? Ito na ay isang batas, ang Republic Act number 11934 mandates all SIM users, bago man o existing user, ay kailangang ma-register yung SIM nila on their respective telcos. If you want to know more details, you can refer to the link below. There are some frequently asked questions there. Babala lang po, gumamit po lamang tayo ng legit na site para iwas scam. I put the link below. So, without further delay, let's get started. Step 1, get your PIN. So, ito yung official website for Smart and TNT user, semrig.smart.com.ph. I-ready na ang iyong phone. Let's start our registration now. Enter your mobile number. Tap I have read and understood terms and conditions and acknowledge smart privacy policy. Pero huwag na muna ngayon kasi mabagal mag-load. Then, click send one-time PIN button beside it. If you don't receive your OTP, you can resend again after a certain time. Once you receive your OTP, please enter it below and click verify OTP. Then boom, success. Your mobile number successfully verified. I presume this is continue button and close button. But since ang bagal mag-load ng site, tayo na lang mag-adjust. Grabe siguro ang site traffic sa mga oras na ito. So now, step 2 na tayo. Input your customer information. Tandaan, kapag may asterisk, lahat yan ay required. So, nationality, Philippines. Pumili ng ID card. Ito yung mga ID cards na pwede gamitin. UMID yung gagamitin natin. Tapos, for ID card verification, basahin nyo muna yung guidelines for smooth process. Dapat valid yung ID and no expiration. Dapat maganda ang lighting. At syempre, dapat clear yung photo at mga details nito. At saka, dapat tama din ang pagkalagay ng photo. So, close na natin. So, click na natin, take photo. Dito ako nagkakaproblema kasi pag i-click ko na yung take photo, babalik siya sa registration page. 2 times nangyari ito sa akin. Bug siguro ito. Kaya ang ginawa ko, pinalitan ko na lang yung UMID card ko to driver's license. And to my surprise, gumana siya. Driver's license pala gusto niya. Subukan nyo lang guys kung anong ID gagana sa inyo. So, take ID photo tayo. Allow natin yung camera. Picturean na natin yung driver's license natin. Please make sure your ID is clear and non-reflective. Kapag nag-operation timeout, retry lang. Kapag okay na, i-press lang yung blue circle to take a picture and click submit. Then, scan your face. Basahin maigi yung tips. Kung ready na, click scan face below. To capture your face, mag-blink lang kayo. OMG! Nag-error siya. Kapag nakaranas kayo ng ganito, click nyo lang OK. Tapos, back to take ID photo again. Same process lang. Pabalik-balik na ako on taking photo and scanning my face. Parang ayaw ko na. And finally, for my 4th attempt, boom! My ID info have captured successfully. Excited na ako. Proceed na natin. Click OK. Let's input all remaining blank fields. ID card number, full name, birthday, gender. Then, pagkatapos, i-click lang ang next button below. Then, let's input our address information. House number lang ang lalagyan ko since hindi naman ito required. Then of course, province, municipality, barangay, and zip code. Under alternate contact info, maglagay rin ng details just in case they need to contact you to validate the info. Now, kapag tapos na, i-click lang ang next. Grabe, ang tagal mag-load. Now, ito na ang summary. Kung may error, i-click lang ang back tapos edit. Kung goods na, i-check ang box if you attest the info and identification documents and true, accurate, and correct in compliance to RA 11934. Tapos, pwede nyo i-check yung customized offers ng Smart, pero optional lang ito. So, we leave it blank for now. So, click na natin. Next. Oops! Here we go again. Our registration cannot be processed at this time. Please try again later. Try lang ng try. After a minute, you won't believe how many attempts I've made. But finally, after 6 failed attempts, and now we have successfully registered our SIM, we will receive another SMS once our SIM is fully activated. Please keep your control number. This will serve as your certificate of registration. Please do a screenshot so you have a copy. You can also register another Smart or TNT SIM. So, I think that's the end of the video. 3 easy steps daw. Steps 2 pa lang tayo pero madugo na yung process. Mas maganda siguro, hindi peak hours kayo mag-register. Siguro mga 1 AM to 5 AM sa umaga. Less ang site traffic nun. But anyway, we did it. Patience lang talaga. Wait na lang tayo for SMS confirmation, which is the step 3. So, salamat sa panonood. I hope it helps. Feel free to comment if you have any question. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. God bless.